And I'm back with another Pokemon Booster Pack opening video of what the heck is this? Cosmic Eclipse. Alright, let's do this. Takes technique in the wrist, if you know what I mean. Alright, we will not do the digital code until the end of the video. Bear with me. I know. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, we got an Ursaring. We got an Fabalumba. I don't know how to pronounce that one. And we got a Stewful. Stewful of what? Rockruff. Okay. A Vulpix. Nice art. Peep boop. Rufflet. And we got a Vibrava. And then we go to Rapidash. And then we go to Pangoro. And then we got the most obvious energy we could ever get in a pack. And then we move on to our digital codes, people. Which is 1 for right now. Digital code. And that's that. Like or subscribe.